What's up, YouTube? It's raining. I thought I'd come out here, post a video. A lot of my plants have died since I last posted. I don't know. YouTube hasn't been really sharing my videos, so I haven't really posted anything. But I was just so proud of these peppers. I just thought I'd show some peppers that I was growing. Yeah. Then I realized critters. There's the critters. The thing I hate most. Just tore that leaf off. It's so hard being, look. It is so hard being organic. Do you see that? You see the critters? It never ends. And there they are, ants. Oh, look who it is. Look who it is. Look who it is. Between him and the critters. All right. Yeah. This is really growing. It was a lot smaller the last video I posted. And some stuff has died. But I don't even know what that is. I don't know what that is. It just started sprouting. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Sometimes stuff just starts growing. I don't know. So I wanted to give 2 updates. One, the corn. That corn on the cob that I had growing in my window. This is it. But I don't know. Now it looks like it's getting eaten up. Then it could be the heat. Yeah. So the heat dried up the corn. Oh man, that's messed up. So I had corn on the cob. Yeah. Oh well. Looks like sweet potatoes are taking over. Man, you know what? The composting is a blessing and a curse because sweet potatoes, they're not yellow all the way yet. They say you're supposed to wait till the leaves are yellow. Some of them are starting to yellow. I can't wait till they all do so I can pull it up. And the flowers are so pretty. They're like purple. They're so pretty when they bloom. This right here got attacked by aphids and some kind of weird beetles. So the 3 that were growing, I had to throw them away. And now I can't get another one to grow for nothing. But oh, it is what it is. Look at it. See, guilty. Get your ass from over there. Come on. Yeah, y'all didn't see that. See? You wouldn't believe me if you hadn't seen it. But yeah, the grapes are doing pretty good. I just had to spray them a couple days ago. See? Thing I hate most. More aphids. Thanks to the ants. It's hard being organic, boy, I tell you. I'm glad everything's getting water. Y'all can see a lot of stuff has died. Uh-oh. A lot of my succulents have to be moved because they're getting too much water. That's about it. Yeah, the moonflower. That's all I got left of her. These two babies. Because the big one died. That died. That, I wish I could sell those. Because they're just all over the place. The onions that I had in here, they were really small. I harvested those. Aloe's doing pretty good. I might have to move. Yeah, a lot of my succulents are going to have to come out of the rain. The watermelon, it didn't make it. The rain. It's the rain, I'm telling you. Peach tree, apple tree. That's about it. I don't know what that is. Hopefully that's not some kind of mold. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh yeah, and it's the cabbage. I'm not even worried about cabbage anymore. Look at that. Those worms, caterpillars just destroyed the cabbage. Oh, look at that. Little mini bell peppers. I don't use fertilizers, so this is how small my stuff is. Alright. That's how small my peppers are, because I won't use any fertilizer. They're cute though, so they're like salad bites, right? You think? Until the aphids get to it. It's that crazy potato. Alright guys, thank you for watching.